Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Deepseek, and you not here. You will click on Deepseek app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.